The DNA results in the serial rapist investigation in Portmore, St. Catherine are in and have linked the main suspect to at least one of the rapes being investigated. The cops had been probing the case for months as residents, especially women, lived in fear across the municipality. Well, the DNA results have brought them one step closer to solving or closing those cases. The main suspect in several rapes in Portmore, St. Catherine was held by the police in June. He was charged with burglary, housebreaking, and wounding after being pointed out in an identification parade by a victim. However, sexual assault charges were pending, dependent on DNA tests. On Thursday, detectives attached to the Greater Portmore Police CIB reported that the first DNA results received positively linked 27-year-old Shadane Harris to at least one of the sexual attacks in the municipality so far. The results have linked the suspect to the rape of a 14-year-old girl in Portmore. His attorney, Vincent Willesley, confirmed that he was charged Thursday afternoon for the offense after being questioned by CIB detectives. Investigators are now awaiting the results of other DNA tests. Since November last year, a manhunt was launched for a serial rapist who invaded the homes of mostly single women and assaulted them at knife point. Investigators say they found the suspect's fingerprint at the scenes of some of the home invasions. They used his previous criminal record to match the prints.